This video describes how to check that the OBD2 lead is functioning correctly. This check is important to carry out if the Megamax 42 fails to communicate with a vehicle. Highlight Settings from the main menu and press Enter. Use the navigation keys to highlight test functions and press Enter to confirm. A message OBD2 plug without vehicle will be displayed. Plug the OBD2 lead and the mains power supply into the Megamax 42 and press Enter. If there are no faults with the OBD2 lead, a message Test successfully finished will be displayed. If faults are detected, the information will be reported on screen for further investigation. Remove the OBD2 lead and the power supply from the Megamax 42. Press Enter, then press Escape to return to the main menu, and switch off the Megamax 42.